Welcome to my FSX Flight Sim Pilot channel. Video number 236. Landing the Boeing 737-800 at Dallas Executive Airport. Kilo Romeo Bravo Delta. KRBD. Dallas, Texas, USA. Story produced by Daryl Zuber and narrated by Matthew Mail. Aircraft type, Boeing 737-800. Aircraft ID, Dallas Cargo Express November 737 Zulu. Aircraft owned and operated by Dallas Cargo Express Incorporated out of Dallas, Texas. Flight sim pilot for today's flight is Daryl Zuber. Aircraft credits, no information on the author is available. Dallas Cargo Express livery by Daryl Zuber. This story takes place circa 2003. Dallas Cargo is departing Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport. Kilo Mike Sierra Papa KMSP St. Paul, Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA. Dallas Cargo will be landing on runway 31. Dallas Executive Airport. Kilo Romeo Bravo Delta. KRBD Dallas, Texas, USA. Distance from Minneapolis to Dallas is 750.9 nautical miles. The estimated fuel burn is 1,564.7 gallons or 10,483.4 pounds, and the estimated time en route is 1 hour 28 minutes. Communications for today's flight will be Minneapolis Departure on 125.750. Minneapolis Center is on 134.750. Fort Worth Center is on 133.100. Regional approach is 125.2 and Executive Tower is on 127.25. I hope you enjoy the video. Please help support my channel by leaving a like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell if you want to be informed of new video uploads, and by all means, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.
Sky 3677, turn off direct botany.
Left direct botany, Sky 36.
Minneapolis Departure to Dallas Cargo Express, November 737 Zulu. Dallas Cargo, standby.
Sky 3677, contact Minneapolis Center, 125.5.
Dallas Cargo, roger.
25 west, Sky 3677.
Dallas Cargo, maintain runway heading. Climb to 10,000. Contact Minneapolis Center on 134.750. Squawk 1200.
Departure at 9:15, 26, climbing 7,010 by the end.
Dallas Cargo Express, November 737 Zulu to Minneapolis Departure. Roger. Maintain runway heading. Climb to 10,000. Contact Minneapolis Center on 134.750. Squawk 1200. Dallas Cargo Express, November 737 Zulu to Minneapolis Center. Dallas Cargo is on course 2 Kilo Romeo Bravo Delta, flight level 6,600, climbing to 10,000.
285 Minneapolis Center. 285 IFR cancellation received. We'll see on the way out.
Minneapolis Center to Dallas Cargo Express, November 737 Zulu. Roger. Dallas Cargo continued to climb to 10,000. Turn 2, heading 194, squawk 1200.
Delta 2236, contact Winnipeg Center.
Dallas Cargo Express, November 737 Zulu to Minneapolis Center. Roger. Turn to heading 194, squawk 1200.
Delta 2941, contact Winnipeg Center, 124.0. Good night.
Minneapolis Center to Dallas Cargo. Contact Fort Worth Center on 133.100, squawk 1200.
1024, contact Minneapolis Center, 1211.
Dallas Cargo to Minneapolis Center. Roger. Proceed on course 2 Kilo Romeo Bravo Delta. Contact Fort Worth Center on 133.100, squawk 1200.
05.
Dallas Cargo Express, November 737 Zulu to Fort Worth Center. With you.
National Cargo 609, Minneapolis Center. Good evening, good ride.
Fort Worth Center to Dallas Cargo Express, November 737 Zulu. Roger. Dallas Cargo, later contact 20 miles northwest of Kilo Mike Charlie, India. Flight level 10,000. Dallas Cargo, proceed on course 2 Kilo Romeo Bravo Delta. Descend to flight level 4,500. Contact regional approach on 125.2, squawk 1200.
17,000, left turn 03 to the right.
Dallas Cargo to Fort Worth Center. Roger. Descend to flight level 4,500. Proceed on course 2 Kilo Romeo Bravo Delta. Going to regional approach. Frequency on 125.2, squawk 1200. Dallas Cargo Express November 737 Zulu 2 regional approach. Dallas Cargo is at flight level 10,000, 11 miles northeast of McAllister, inbound to land with information Kilo, squawk 1200.
Delta 915, turn left at Zogab.
Zogab, Delta
Regional
915.
approach to Dallas Cargo Express November 737 Zulu. Roger. Continue your approach inbound. Descend to 1,500. Contact Dallas Executive Tower on 127.25. Squawk 1200.
Delta 2706, North Parker, South 2.
Roger, going to Dallas Executive Tower on 127.25. Dallas Cargo Express November 737 Zulu 2 Dallas Executive Tower. Dallas Cargo 13 miles out, ready to land with information Kilo.
Okay, passing 3,500.
Executive Tower to Dallas Cargo Express November 737 Zulu. Roger, you are number 2. Follow the 727 on final. Altimeter 2980, clear to land. Runway 31.
Left turn 360, Delta 2706.
Dallas Cargo 2 Executive Tower. Roger. Follow the 727 on final. Altimeter 2980, clear to land. Runway 31.
Delta 915, contact Minneapolis Center, 125.5.
255, Delta 915, blue.
Delta 361, Minneapolis Departure. What are contact? Delta 361, climb and maintain 17,000, 17,000. Proceed direct to McConnell, resume chef pattern. Delta 2706, turn left heading 300. Proceed direct to Zogab, enable resume Smurf 7.
Left 300, direct to Zogap, enable, then